Okay, so curry leaves is a source of phosphorus and calcium, which supports our bones, our teeth, and it's also fiber to regulate our digestive tract. Nutritionally, the leaves is a rich source of beta carotene, um, calcium, and iron. So it's wise to chew a leaf or two